Hey, 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 here's a preview of my new wig. It is the Bishi Lace Front Mini, is her name. And I'm trying to get the color right. It's a number 233. I've never tried that mix before, so should be interesting. My Bishi Drew was a number 2, and my first wig, the Amory, was a 1B33. 33 is usually my highlight color of preference, so I decided to try the 2 and the 33. You can't really see it properly, but it's such a nice mix because the 2, as you know, is a brown and the 33 is an auburn color. So anyway, I'm gonna cut her and put up another video with me wearing her. Just a preview.